Roast beef, roast beef. Pickles on my roast beef.
Hey guys, what is up? And hopefully you guys are having a good day today. I'm actually going to get the Xbox Series X on Black Friday. I'm going to have to be staying in that line. We're going to be doing a little video. Of course, you guys will be seeing that. It'll be during this video, of course. So we're going to just unbox the storage, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like inside.
This looks like, do I open anything else? No, no. Let's see. That's the video. We got nothing in that box. We got the Segway right here. And we just do that. Got the instructions right there. Keep the instructions. And we got the little thing in here. This is the Segway. This thing's crazy. Look at that thing. Wow. That's unbelievably awesome. What is this? We tear that off or something? We should tear that off. And then I think it sticks into there. You have to actually take it out. That's what we gotta do. Because they said that. That's what we gotta do. There we go. And then, yeah, this piece right here goes into the console. This thing was a lot of money, guys. And I do feel like it's worth it to buy one of these things. Because you have a lot of storage. And it's just gonna be great.
Hey guys, what is up? And I just got the Xbox Shock Blue. Look at this thing, guys. Look at this sexy piece of great stuff. So this is actually the Xbox Series X controller right now that I have right in here in my hands. And I just want to show it to you guys right here. I'm going to actually unbox it right in the call because I can't take this anymore. I don't have the Xbox Series X yet. It's pretty sad that I don't have it. I was trying to get it the whole time, but let's check out this controller. This thing is pretty sick. Look at that. Thing is awesome. Look, this is the capture device. That is pretty sick. I'm really excited to use this controller, guys, for some Xbox gaming. The back has the nice grip. You can't really see it. But, like, this controller, I can't wait to have so much fun with. I'm really actually excited, guys, about this new system I'm going to be getting. It comes with batteries. It always does. Always comes with batteries. So I'm really excited about that. Can't wait to rock this controller today. I'm going to play some Fortnite. Actually been getting back into that. I'm probably going to be playing some Battlefront. I usually play Star Wars Battlefront more now, guys, because I don't really play Fortnite. But some friends now want me to play it with them. So I'm just really excited. Really excited I got this controller. And it was worth the money. So I'm really excited to use it. The only problem, guys, is I don't have the new system yet. So I'm getting all the accessories. I got the other thing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. But I didn't go to GameStop because there was a big line and I don't really want to deal with the big lines. So I'm just going to wait until February. That's when this video is probably going to come out, in February. So we're going to see what happens, guys. So I'll see you guys in a minute because I'll be getting the Xbox Series X in just a second. So
Hey guys, today is the day, guys. Xbox Series X has arrived. It is April 22nd, 2021, and today is a Thursday, of course. And here's the Series X right here, guys, right in front of my eyes. It is wonderful. It is amazing. And we got my nice up there. That is my flashlight, which is magnetic to the, I guess, the air conditioning thing. So that'll be helping us out today because I have no room, no light in my room. So let's unbox this and get excited right now. Alright guys, so here we go. I am so excited for this thing. Let's check it out. Let's see what's going down. Hopefully I get a good view right here so you guys can check this thing out with me. It's going to actually try to be a really fast video because I know you guys seen an unboxing a lot of times, and this is a really rare console in 2021. No one's gonna get these things. It is pretty crazy. I don't even know how the heck to open this. So here it is, right here. Here's the opening. Really, I'm hoping this console. Hoping there's nothing wrong with it. Hope and pray that I don't have any issues. I'm just so excited. I don't want to wreck the box, but I don't even know how the heck to open this. Come on, open. I'm too excited to be, I'm so impatient right now. Here we go. This is all the way from California, guys, and I'm in New York right now, which is crazy. This took at least a week to ship. Here it comes. The Unleash. Power your dreams. Holy crud, guys, I am so excited. This is General Lee Roast Beef unboxing. The power of the dreams. Here we go, guys. What we should do, let's open right here first before we take the console out because I feel like we should check everything out. I'm not really a big PS5 or PS4 guy, so I want to do the Xbox. So I'm gonna speed it up right now, so you guys will just see me unboxing and all the stuff. So yeah, here we go. guys, so I am back, and we have the Xbox One original and the Xbox Series X. So you can actually lay this down too. You can actually do that. This thing is very, very, very heavy. Holy crud, it weighs a lot. I don't know how much it weighs, but this weighs a lot of pounds, guys. It's crazy. The Xbox One actually doesn't weigh that much, which is really crazy. You know, this one's like, holy crud, it's like, oh, it has a few pounds on it. You got to be very, very careful, guys, when you unbox the Xbox Series X. I will tell you that. The Xbox One, holy crud, it's like such a big difference. The Xbox Series X, oh no, it's like there's some weight in that. Or I'm actually tired because I actually just got home from work and I've been working all day today, guys. Like, I don't know, like 12 hours today. It's crazy. But yeah, I don't need this dumb storage thing anymore. I have my other storage, which you guys see in the beginning of this video. I'm going to be putting that in. This is going to be, I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I'm going to be doing some editing. It's going to be really fast. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. But I'm going to set up my Xbox Series X now, and you guys are going to check it out. Here we go. Here we go, guys. The Series X has just turned on. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. The Series X, guys, is booting up right now. Let's talk right now. Let's see how long it boots up. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hope everything's going well. I've been still a plumber, you know. It's been rough for me. I know this whole Corona stuff is just annoying. People don't really want to talk about it, you know. Look at that. It booted up so fast. We don't even need to say anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook up the controller right now. The new controller that I actually put. Alright, so my controller, I didn't even need to link it to the Xbox, but we're going to hit English. Let's do that. United States, right? Checking connection. What? Where do you live? We're in the United States, right? Well, where else would I live? Mexico, Korea, we got all these weird places. I don't know, I'm just saying things right now, guys. I'm just bored, you know. Alright, so then you guys got to start an update. So this update, I don't know how long it's going to take. This system is it's just crazy. Look at my room, it's a mess, it's great. But this is my new chair. I never showed you guys this. My new chair. So when I actually play some games, you know, I can have my nice chair right here. I can, and my nice baby Yoda there. But this is the Series X, guys, right here. I am touching it with my hand. It is a dream come true, guys. This day is just the best. But I finally got it from California, guys. This is all the way from California because you can't get anywhere else. I don't know why. It's so weird, but look at this update. It's going a little fast, actually. This is pretty crazy, guys. But yeah, guys, I am so excited. You really can't tell that I'm excited because I'm actually really tired right now, guys. Oh, it's been a crazy. Oh, guys, I just want to go sleep right now. But I just have to do this video exactly when I'm unboxing this. I never do unboxing videos, and I want to do a video of me unboxing something. And when stuff comes in the mail, guys, I want to unbox it. I don't care if it's the next day, if it's the day after, I gotta do it. It's an idol, you know, it's an idol of the world, you know, all these things that we have, you know. And this Series X, I'm really happy that I got it, but it's like, you know, there's something else missing in the world, you know. But everybody doesn't have this console, and I feel bad for you guys out there, you know. I've been looking on YouTube and people trying to figure out how to get the Series X. Do you get it for $4.99 or all that other stuff? And it's really crazy, you know. But I'm not going to tell you guys how much money it was or anything because, you know, we're going to keep that a little secret in the channel. But if you guys want to ask me personally in like a text message or anything, you guys can. But I'm not going to share that information because, you know, I don't think that's right to tell you guys how much it was. Because you guys probably wouldn't agree with me or anything. So I'm not going to talk about that. We have got this now. We have to click that button. So let's do that. Alright guys, so now we gotta click the Xbox button, so here we go. You guys excited? I'm gonna turn on the controller. I gotta hit A. I gotta hit update thing, and I think it updates it really, really fast, so I think I'm gonna stay right here and just talk to you guys and say howdy. So, I don't know why it's not updating fast. Come on. Go faster. Go faster. Come on. I guess I gotta have really good internet, you know. I don't really have the best internet, so I can see why this is not updating that fast. But, yeah, that they said about this console, you have to update so much stuff. And that's gonna be crazy for me because my internet isn't the best internet in the world. But it will do. It will do. So, you know what? I'm gonna come back when this is done updating. Alright, cool. It's about time. Okay, alright, next, sign in. Alright, I'm gonna sign in. Let's get it going. Alright guys, I'm back, and now it says let's go. You're done setting up your Xbox console. Time to play. So now I'm going to the home here, and let's check it out, because I think what I could do is I could transfer all of my games into Battlefront, which is crazy. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to appearing offline for now because I don't want people to disturb me. So we're going to check it out and we're going to see what works. So my games and apps, I think they're all already connected. Let's see. I'm going to see what happens when I click on them. Install all. Yeah, I know I gotta install a lot of stuff because this is a new console, guys, now. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. And now I'm gonna install all my new games and all my stuff. And I'll let you know, guys, in the future how my Xbox is. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm really excited playing it. And I can't wait to play this console, guys. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys like my stash, but I think I'm going to shave it because it's actually, you know, it's weird. But we're going to see what happens. If you guys want me to shave it or leave it, let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, guys, hopefully you guys have a great day. Hopefully everything goes well with you guys. I have to start updating my Series X. And hopefully you guys get an Xbox Series X or a PlayStation 5. Whatever next-gen console you guys want to get, you guys get. But this is what next-gen console I want, and I have it, so I'm all set. Now, I'm just going to save my money and just enjoy life, guys. But I'll see you guys in the next one, guys. Peace out, and have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.